Samsonite's sustainability mission reaches new heights. Introducing ESSENS Circular, featuring Samsonite's first ever digital product passport, revealing the suitcase manufacturing journey. All good things come to an end. But some journeys are just beginning. Your beloved suitcase gets a second life. Our innovative process blends 35% recycled luggage shells with recycled post-consumer waste, reaching a total of at least 80% recycled materials in the outer shells. Designed, developed and produced in Europe. ESSENS Circular is ready for the next journey. Each suitcase holds a digital product passport. By scanning the QR code, you obtain a detailed and transparent overview of the product's life cycle and extend the life of your suitcase with easy self-repair solutions. Samsonite, innovate to move the world.